robbers at the museum. Hello, my name is Ben. Hello, my name is Rosie. This is Grandpa. This is Grandpa's van. It's fantastic. Ben, Rosie's brother. Rosie, Ben's sister. Grandpa. Clunk, Grandpa's robot. Bill, Grandpa's friend, a museum guard. Now let's read about robbers at the museum. Rosie is painting a picture at the table. Ben looks at the picture. It's nice, he says. What is it? Is it a horse? No, it isn't, says Rosie. Ben looks at the picture again. Is it a cow? He asks. No, says Rosie. It's a cat. She looks at her picture. I'm not good at art, she says. I don't want to paint now. But Rosie, art is fantastic, says Grandpa. Do you want to go to the art museum? My friend Bill is a guard there. I want to give him this book. Yes, let's go, says Ben. Grandpa's robot, Clunk, drives the van to the art museum. Grandpa sees his friend. Meet my friend Bill, says Grandpa to the children. Nice to meet you, say Ben and Rosie. I want to talk to your grandfather about this book, says Bill to Ben and Rosie. You can look at the museum. Clunk goes with Ben and Rosie. Do you like art, Clunk? Asks Ben. I don't know, says Clunk. Ben points at a blue vase. Look at this vase, he says. It's very old. Clunk doesn't like the vase. Do you like these statues? Asks Rosie. Clunk doesn't like the statues. Ben points at a big picture. I like the colors in this picture, he says. I like this picture, says Clunk. It's my favorite. That isn't a picture, Clunk, says Rosie. That's a museum sign. Ben stops. Listen, he says. Can you hear people? Yes, I can, says Rosie. Who is it? I don't know, says Ben. He points at a window. Look! There's a man at the window. Two men in black clothes are at the window. The robbers, says Ben. They want to steal the art. Quick, run, says Rosie. But there isn't a door close to the children. I have an idea, says Ben. Quick, come to these statues. They stand next to the statues. Now, don't talk and don't move, says Ben. The two robbers are in the museum now. One of them has a blue vase in his hands. What do you want to steal? He asks. His friend points a flashlight at some pictures. Let's see, he says. I want to steal a statue, says the robber with the vase. His friend looks at the statues. Then he looks at the children and Clunk. I don't like this little statue, he says. It's ugly. I'm not ugly, says Clunk. The statues can talk, says the robber with the vase. He's scared. The blue vase falls from his hands. Clunk jumps and catches the vase. I have it, he says. Let's go, says the man with the flashlight. The two robbers run. They want to go to the window, but they can hear police cars in the street. Grandpa and Bill are at the door. There are some police officers with them. Bill points at the two robbers. There, he says. Stop, shouts a police officer to the robbers. Clunk gives the vase to Bill. Thank you, says Bill. This vase is very old. Let's go home, Grandpa, says Rosie. I want to paint my picture now.